Hello Internet, it's been a minute. Sorry, I've been busy for the last couple of months. I moved back down to New Orleans and I'm helping my friend run her bar, at least for the short term. This week is historically the slowest week of the year for the bar, so we're shutting down and everyone is taking a much needed mental health vacation. I'm going on a road trip and I'm taking you with me. But first, I gotta make some coffee. See you on the road.
First stop of the trip, gotta get some gas! And also probably some beef jerky. I know gas station beef jerky has a bunch of stuff I don't want to put in my body, but I do love beef jerky. Everybody knows that the best road trips start by breaking into your bar and stealing ice for your cooler, because who wants to pay for ice? And then of course stocking your cooler with the free beers that the reps bring us. You know, I had this conversation with my general manager this morning where I realized I try and make myself really worried about productivity even when I'm supposed to be having a good time. And in my head I was thinking, oh man, I gotta get to my final destination, which is Louisville, by the way. And I thought to myself, shit, I'm on vacation already. So I stopped this rest stop in Alabama. I am going to go buy a soda and I'm gonna sit on that bench right there and read a book for an hour. All right, time to get back on the road. But first, a road trip tradition. I mean, other than eating beef jerky. College road trip CD. Now, I can't play you what's on that CD for obvious copyright issues, so you're gonna have to take my word for it that each one of those tracks is a banger, and there's nothing on there that's even remotely embarrassing. So I have been driving for a couple hours and I'm tired and I need a break and maybe some food. And I figured, since it's Monday, this place might make the most sense. So Monday Night Brewing was absolutely worth it. They had a lot of options. They had seltzers, they had cocktails, they had dark beer, hoppy beer, they had experimental stuff, they had a grisette on tap. Yeah, they were super tasty. And they had pretty good food. They had Mexican fusion pub fare. It was delicious. So if you're traveling anywhere near Birmingham, or maybe you're just driving through like me, it is definitely worth a stop. All right, it's getting late and that sun's looking a little low. Time to get back on the road. So I'm here and I'm safe and sound and I did all 5 states in one go and my butt hurts from sitting so long. I think it might be time for bed. I just laid down and I can feel myself falling asleep. The room is comfortable, pretty bare bones. But yeah, not bad for a first day. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Good morning, Internet. So my parents came into town yesterday, and that was a lot of fun. Today we're gonna go exploring Mammoth Caves. I don't know what the lighting's gonna be like in there, but hopefully I'll be able to get some good shots. It can get down to 50 degrees in the caves, so came out to get my coat and my boots. All right, I'll see you inside. You know, this trip was really important to me because we were all fully vaxxed and this was the first time we had gotten to see each other in months. This was also going to be our first time in a cave, and I didn't know what to expect or how I would feel being a couple 100 feet underground. We decided to take a moderate tour that was pretty popular, and I think it was perfect for a first time. Mammoth Cave was, well, mammoth. It was beautiful and haunting at the same time. It had giant open spaces, and there were a few tight squeezes as well, but I never felt claustrophobic. The air was cool and really fresh, which kind of surprised me. I expected it to be more stale or dank. It was the perfect activity for a hot day in July. Our guide was super knowledgeable and entertaining, and if you're gonna be in the area, this is a must stop. All told, we spent about 2 hours underground, and I can't wait to go back and try some of the harder courses. That having been said, after those couple hours underground, we were pretty pooped, so we decided to grab some food, head back to the Airbnb. And I put the camera down for a couple of hours, and just had a nice time with my family. Because, well, family's important.